Let's do it. That's your turn. Come on. Nate, here from the Brooklyn Music Factory, back to play another game with you. So many of you probably already played Complete the Composition for drums. I did a kind of sort of introductory level to that game. So every game at Brooklyn Music Factory, I like to usually has about 4 versions of it, okay? Obviously some of our games, like on big music games, have 15 levels. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about these live jams we're doing right here. So the 4 levels look like this. Kind of beginner, intermediate, advanced, and then I always like to throw in a turbo. Most people can't hang with the turbo, but actually most Brooklyn Music Factory musicians seem to be able to do it. So I thought I would give you an intermediate round of Complete the Composition drums. So again, for those of you that have not played this game yet, it's really straightforward. All of music is made up of questions and answers. A musician asks a question, and then another musician in the band answers it. Dig it? Question, answer, call, response. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. That's the jam, right? That is music. So we're going to do an intermediate level of Complete the Composition for drums. Again, I'm going to set my timer. It's only going to be 3 minutes. That's the length of a pop song. That's how long you and I need to have our ears turned on and our musical mind whoosh, locked and loaded and ready to play. We got to be 100% intellectually engaged and emotionally engaged. Here we go. Complete the Composition, intermediate level. Stick with me. I'll ask you a question on the drum, and then I'll give you a chance to answer. Here's our groove. Okay, now you're feeling it. By the way, you can play on something like this, or you can just play on your body. It doesn't matter. You don't need a drum to make music. Don't need a drum to play. Here's our groove. Your turn. Your turn. Your turn. Let me hear ya. Uh-huh. Yup. Yup. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's right. Now you're starting to groove. You see, you got a little boom. You got a little pop. You're feeling it. It's supposed to be fun. Okay, now, nice. Sounding really good. You're in, you're in, you're in. We love it. Keep those ears open. I'm gonna ask you longer questions, and you're gonna come up with longer answers. So you gotta be patient, musician. You gotta be waiting for the end of the question before you give the answer. Be patient, but keep those ears open. Here we go. Here's our groove. That's our tempo. Tempo. Fancy word for speed. Tempo. Fancy word for speed. Here it is. That's your turn. That's your turn. Let's do it. That's your turn. Come on. What do you got? Right? Right? Let's go. Just a few more seconds. Come on. Okay. Okay. Come on. Come on. 15 seconds to go. Let's do it. Stay in the game. Stay in the game. on, come on, come on. Your turn. And we're done. Oh! Wow. Nice work. See you right back here for another game. Click any one of our videos. We got tons of games for you. Keep playing. Sounding good.